My name is Sudip Maiti. I'm a career designer. As you all know that today's market, how the LinkedIn is popular. It's not only for the getting the job, it's people are using the LinkedIn for the social networking in the professional world. You have your resume or the cover letter, but on top of that, nowadays most of the talent acquisition managers and recruiter they try to figure it out through LinkedIn. So, what I would request here, if you don't have the LinkedIn profile, you can maintain the LinkedIn profile, which will give you additional advantage to find out in the social media. So, what are the different things you should maintain in the LinkedIn profile? I will give you some tips for that through my profile. Just give me a moment to share my screen so that I can showcase to you what are the main important things you should maintain in your LinkedIn profile. If you see here, this is the LinkedIn profile of myself. You see this photograph is the very professional photographs you have to maintain here. On top of that, you should utilize this banner portion of the LinkedIn. Through this banner portion, people will understand what kind of the activity you are doing. So these are the two things is very important. On top of that, these are the details information which is very important about you, through which any talent acquisition managers or recruiter they will try to understand who are you. On top of that, if you see here, there is a section called the about section, and where you can write it down about yourself with the to the point so that the recruiter or might be the talent acquisition manager they can understand about you in a better way. And if you can maintain your email ID here, they can reach out to you directly if your profile is really suitable for their job opportunity. And experience is very important. Each and every company's details you should maintain, and with the start date, end date, as well as the company's name. And in the roles and responsibilities section, if you can mention the facts and figure, so definitely that will give you the additional advantage. If you go down, you can see here there is another section called the recommendation section, which is very important. Someone from the outside, they should recommend you based on your skills. So definitely it will be really helpful for the recruiter to find you. And if they feel that you are the suitable candidate for the job openings, they will directly connect with you through your mail ID or might be through your LinkedIn profile. They may ask you the updated version of your resume after seeing your LinkedIn profile also. If you feel that these are the informations really valuable to you, so you can subscribe my channel where I am talking about more or less the career aspects and share with the more number of people so that I can create a value to other people's life. Thank you.